Okay, gumagawa sila ng palayo. Okay. And immediately, upon entering the class, he actually gave his final project. The final project is that those students, ang ginawa niya, hinati niya yung klase niya. The students in his right, okay, ang goal nila, ang pot nila, that you will get a higher grade if you produce quantities pots. The more pots that you actually produce, the higher your grade is. You got that? Yes. Para naman sa left nila, para sa left ng professor, ang basis niya is quality. That means isang pot lang ang gagawin nila, but it should be the perfect pot. If you want to grade, get a flat 1 grade. And guess what? He was astonished because at the end of the semester, it was not the quality group that produced the best pot. It was the quality group. Bakit? Ano nangyari? Let me tell you what happened. When he checked on the quality box, okay, the quality group, he discovered that the quality group is just aiming for hypothetical perfection. They keep on drawing and designing and everything. Pero nung nagawa nila, yung isang part na yun, ordinary yan. Kaya, hindi naging best pot. However, on the quantity group, guess what happened? Unang pots pa lang, nagkakamali na sila. Hanggang sa paganda, ang pots na nagkagawa nila. That's why they end up producing the best pots. What am I trying to say here? The best way to achieve success is to undergo failures. It's not actual failures that I am talking about. It's not just actual failing in the subject that I am talking about. Some of you here, you may even have failed yourself. Okay? Ginawa mo yung best mo, in-expect mo na mataas ang grade mo, pero 2.75. You have failed your own standards. Even the drawings that you have, you see, alam nyo bakit hirap na hirap kayo mag-drawing? Kasi inisip nyo na parang, kakayanin ko pa ba? Kasi isip nyo na nga, makagraduate na nga, okay yung drawing ko. Hindi ko na aabutin yung maging HR manager, hindi ko na papangarapin ang taas eh. Yung grade ko, hindi naman pang ganun eh. But let me tell you this what? Your failures, your mistakes, does not make you a mistake. They are just processes. And in labor law, this is the process that you will undergo. I will not just be teaching you about law itself, but I will be able to, I'm aiming for you, okay, for one goal at the end of the semester. I only have one, as may I repeat, I only have one goal at the end of the semester. And that goal is for you to become better than I am. For you to become better than I am. Yung iba sa iba, may bino. Okay, bakit? Kasi natakot ka na maniwala, baka hindi mo maabot. But try to think of this one, the 27 years of my life. Oh yes, I'm 27. Dahil like a student.
Yes.
Yeah, confidence, you know. Ganyan naman ako lagi kay matataas ang self-confidence. Okay, but anyway, the 27 years of my life, I would really try my best to compress it in just one semester. You're more privileged than summer class. The summer class is just 1.5 months. You will be consuming the whole semester. And everything that I have learned so far, I'll be passing it on to you. So you are quite privileged. You got that? 3 reasons why I want you to draw your drawings. Are you ready? The first reason why I decided for you to draw your drawings is that I want you to have a sense of motivation. Okay, let me repeat that. I want you to have a sense of motivation. What is motivation? Ito yung dahilan kung bakit nabigising sa umaga. Parang Nescafe ka. Bakit ka? You got that?
Yes.
Okay, bakit? Kapag alam mo, okay, pag halimbawa, try to think of this one. Subukan mo ipaskil yung drawing mo, yung dream mo, dun sa tabi ng kama mo. pag nakita mo yung dream mo, alam mo kailangan mong bumangon kasi kailangan mong gawin agad yung dream na yun. Unlike kapag hindi mo siya nakikita na, ano ang gagawin ko today? Sige na nga, snooze. For those who are not familiar with snooze, ayan yung alarm clock. Tinitignan yung alarm clock. Ano yun? Sinisira. Dinidelay yung alarm clock. Dinidelay ng 5 minutes. Yung pala 2 hours na lang. Hindi ba lang gawain yun?
5 minutes pa.
Dati. Anyway, why motivation? Okay. Could I borrow 2 of your index cards, please? Dalawang index cards. Tirahin ko na. Let me tell you this one, hindi mo kaya ibigay kung wala. Okay. When we do our recitations, okay, and when I will be doing it the law school way, I'll be shuffling the cards and bubunot ng isang card. Supposing, itong card na nabunot mo kay Christian Measure. Wow. Mesh. Parang major eh. Last na to. Sabi sa inyo eh, kapag dire-diretso ang klase ko eh. Okay na, pabigyan niyo na ako. Wala kayong choice eh, ako from here. Pag gusto niyo seryoso, okay lang. Ayaw niyo. Okay, for Christian Measure, for example, nabunod ko si Christian Measure, ano una niyo makikita? Tinignan niya, saan kaya ako drawing niya?
Matabi po.
Oo, ikaw yung to, yung ako. Oo, ikaw ang pasyente ng puso niya. Okay.
Dapat labagin nilagyan ng pangalan. Nilagyan niyo ng pangalan.
Gusto ang pangalan mo? Sulat
Hindi, oh.
natin. Hindi ko kaya sulatan ang bagay na hindi sa akin. Hindi ko kaya ilagay at ipilit sa puso ng iba. May pinatatamaan lang. Okay ko. By the way, hindi ko kayo pinatatamaan ha sa mga sinasabi ko. Tinitira ko lang kayo. Kaya mga person. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Oo, kasi ang totoong kaibigan at ang totoong tao, sinasabi niya kung ano yung kailangan mong marinig, hindi nga kung ano yung gusto mong marinig. Oh, GM na, ano? Naisusulat mo ba? Hindi, okay lang nga. Oo, bukas mapakayo lang. Yeah, actually, ganyan din kami sa summer kasama sila. Lahat ng klase ko ganyan. Okay, when you saw your dreams, okay, let me tell you this one. If you fail to answer in the recitation, that is one step farther from your dreams. But if you will be able to really do your best, conquer your recitations, conquer the pressures, conquer the difficulties, conquer the cases, it is a one step closer to your dreams. Thank you. So it is a choice whether you will be walking away or going forward with your dreams. You got that? Let me tell you this one. Ako, just last week, okay, I had my devotions on this really good verse that I want to pass it to you. It's not something about religion, but it's something that really struck me and I want to pass it to you. Sabi doon, but one thing I do, forget my past and strain on forward and move forward. Forget your past. I don't care and I don't know whether you got a 5 in any grades that you have, whether you got an 1, okay? But you have to forget them. Because it will not determine what you can do today.
Yes.
It is wow. It is your choice. Why? You should be forgetting both of your mistakes and your victories at the same time. Sometimes victory is what limits you to increase to a greater victory. Beware of that. Pag inisip na, ay, unod naman ako sa ibang subject eh, you become confident. And when you become confident, you become lax. So be careful of that. Okay? The second reason why, okay, the second reason why I decided for you to have your thing, to write down your thing, or draw your thing, is because I want you to have a sense of direction and inspiration. A sense of direction and inspiration. What do I mean by that? Kung ikaw, nakikita mo yung 40 years from now, madali mo makikita kung ano yung gagawin mo 20 years from now. Madali mo makikita ang 10 years from now, 5 years from now, 2 years from now, 1 year from now, at kung ano yung gagawin mo bukas. Kasi kitang-kita mo kung ano yung mangyayari 40 years from now. A good example, if I were given a chance, actually I did that drawing already, tapos ginawa ko, pinost ko dun sa tabi ng kama ko. And guess what? I draw the seal of the office of the president. Because my dream is really, it's not I'm bragging myself or what, but really my dream is to become the president. Yeah, seriously. Actually, 2 days after my graduation, I've already worked in Malacanang. Graduation in Bonsai, in RTE. Okay? But I'm not allowed there. I didn't have a symbol in my grade. And I also have a uno in my grade. But it does not determine me and what can I do, what I can do. Okay? If my dream is actually to become the president, is being a lawyer a one step closer to become a president? Yes, because 7 of the presidents are actually lawyers. Is becoming a professor a one step closer to become the president? Yes, because majority of the presidents of the Philippines are actually professors before they enter their fields. So kung alam ko na ito yung patutunguhan ko, alam ko yung step-by-step process how to get there. Pero kung hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta, guess what? Maliligaw ka. Try to think of this one. Kung ikaw pupunta ka ng Quezon City at galing ka ng Pasig, dadaan ka ba ng Laguna? Hindi. Papunta ka sa auto ba? Okay, hindi. Diretso ka na, either kukubaw ka, pamandaluyong ka, or pasipay ka. Tama, mali, Pamaritina, tama? Para makapunta ng Quezon City. You got that? Pero kung hindi mo alam na ang direksyon mo pala at pupuntahan mo ay Quezon City, malamang hindi ka pupunta kung saan-saan. Paikot-ikot ka lang. That's why I decided for you to look at your grades all the time. And if you want to get it after the end of the semester, it's okay for me. But some did not. Ayaw na nila, okay na. Kasi napalitan na yung grades nila na mas malaki. Tama? Anyway, why inspiration? Why you become an inspiration? Because a person who has dreams is a person who has dreams becomes very inspired. And when a person is inspired, he inspires others. Guess what? When I told my little sister that my dream is to become the president, oh, by the way, my family is in the US. I'm just staying here with my lolo and my lola. Yung bunso namin, nandun din siya sa US. She's already 12 years old. Yung younger sa akin is nasa Dubai naman, so I'm just left here. Okay? Guess what? One time when we were doing Skype, when my youngest sister, was doing Skype with me, she asked me, when she was 9 years old, she asked me, Kuya, what is your dream? I told her, my dream is to become the president. Alam mo sabi niya? Sabi niya, Kuya, if your dream is to become the president of the Philippines, my dream is also to become the president of the United States. So that, for the first time in that history, 2 presidents are siblings of different countries. And guess what? At the age of 9, she's already fulfilling that. How? For 3 consecutive years, from 9, 10, 11, she keeps on bagging the gold medal of her science projects in California. Not only that, she's also a black belter. She has a modeling contract. She has a commercial contract with Disney Channel in the US. in the recent GATE exams in US. GATE exams is the National Achievement Exams of US. She got a record-breaking 98.9. Yeah, plus in the recent, when she was 9 years old, in the Martin Luther King Festival of US, Martin Luther King is the anti-discriminatory festival against the black people, okay? At the age of 9, she delivered a speech in front of US senators. Yeah, I have her video. I think you saw the videos, tama? Yeah, nakita nila yung videos, ha? Yung
Galing.
okay, you can check. It's actually in my Facebook, but anyway, you can just check her in YouTube. It's Giselle De Leon. And at the same time, just last year, at the age of 12 years old, she got a scholarship from Harvard University School of Law.
Galing.
Yeah, so hindi ko siya kailangan pag-aralin. Kulang pang sweldo na.
Ilahay kayo, sir. Ilahay sila. Ilahay.
Yes, that's why people who have dreams becomes inspiring. Okay, and the last thing about dreams is dreams gives you focus. Dreams gives you focus. Okay, what do you mean about focus? Let me give you a really good illustration how. Okay, with your thumb, with your right thumb, itutok niyo sa akin, eye level. Itutok niyo sa akin, eye level. Right thumb, itutok lahat. Eye level. Very good. Yung iba kasi tinutusok yun. Okay, eye level. Try to look at your thumb. Malinaw, malabo.
Malinaw.
Malinaw ang thumb. Now, try to look at me. Malabo ang
Tam.
okay, marami kong tutok. Okay, what does it mean? Try to think of your thumb as your dreams. And try to think of me as your problems. Kapag nakatingin ka sa dream mo, malabo ang problema. Kapag nakatingin ka sa dream mo makapagtapos, yung problema mo walang pang-tuition, walang kwenta yan. Gagawa ako ng parang para makapagtapos kasi nakafocus ako sa dream ko. Pero kapag nakatingin ka sa problema, guess what? Lalabo ang dream mo. Kaya pala hirap ka mag-drawing kanina. Bakit? Ang dami mong problema ang tinitikan. So it's all a matter. Everything is a matter of perspective. What will you choose to focus on is what you will become. If you choose to focus on the problem, then you become the problem. And if you choose to focus on the solution, you become the solution and the dream of someone else's problem. Any questions? I'll be seeing you next meeting. Make sure that you have your notebooks with you. Class dismissed. Submit your intake starts.